And Surya Jan, it's 310, July 7th. As I've said before in the past and in my Methods of Analysis 3, they got a lot of components of this propaganda machine. Another component of it is a betting ring. And they use their betting ring and their manufactured results to orchestrate frames. So they have various tactics to make what they call their slander look official. So one of the things they do is they may be making a movie, for example. That's not even a movie, it's a way to push lies. So maybe they'll make up some story of a movie and then it's $1 billion line and maybe they'll bet with it. And then, they run a bet for $1 billion line or $1 million line or whatever the hell they make up to these people. And then, they have slander they want to push. They push their slander. People bet for this $1 million line or whatever they make up. And then someone wins and they pay out with a line. And that payout with the line, this movie line, is to make their slander look more official, as they call it. That's one of their models. Another model is they just have a betting ring and then they pretend they're gambling and they manufacture a fake payout with either fake currency or just say someone was paid out to make their slander look more official. And then people are like, oh, they paid out on it, must be real. Another thing they do is they actually manufacture fake currency and pay out with fake currency to make their slander look more official and run their manufactured betting results for slander and push ideas and agendas. And then another one of their models is they have a shit ton of stolen money and a shit ton of stolen ideas that they steal from me. And then, they run a bet, have some slander they want to push, they push their slander, and then whatever slander they want to push to make her look real, they pay out with a stolen idea, stolen data, or stolen money. And that's how they make their slander look official. Because they're paying with money that's not theirs, they're paying with ideas that aren't theirs. And they use their betting ring as a component of their propaganda machine and manufactured results to push their slander. Bet my life on it. So that's a piece of this. This is in my Methods of Analysis 3. So they didn't mention this. This is more evidence of material info being left out. But that's another piece of their propaganda machine and their slander machine. Bet my life on it. So look for that and ask them, why did you leave that out? Because that's more than material info. That's obstruction of justice and 20 to multiple life sentences.